When you work with AirCorps Aviation, we have the ability to apply special aerospace finishes to your freshly manufactured parts. Whether it's cleaning, etching, or applying chemical conversion coatings, we have the experience to prep parts for additional coatings. Our in-house paint booth provides us with the ability to apply high-quality base and top coats to the parts that we manufacture. Do you have special paint requirements? No problem. With our paint suppliers, we can source typical to unique paints from around the world. Utilizing our FAA-approved quality system, you can be assured that your parts adhere exactly to your specifications and standards. Contact AirCorps Aviation today to speak with someone about your project needs.